your hair behind your ear so it won't be in your face. 12, 13, 14. It's Babe's birthday. Happy birthday, Babe.
Yeah. Glad somebody's excited.
Big Daddy's home.
Yeah, Big Daddy's excited to be 50, can't you tell?
50 years old. That's the big 5-0.
Yeah, half a century old.
Half a century old. You my old man.
Yeah, 2,000 years ago I would be considered an old man close to death.
But that was then, this is now. And we ain't having that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. I gotta enjoy you some more.
Look, I'm missing teeth and everything.
How many teeth you missing?
2.
Let me see.
There's one there and another on the other side.
Stick your tongue through that other one.
Oh, that hair. Oh. I'm a hippie.
Well, don't you worry. I got enough teeth for both of us. Here, take some of mine.
I washed my hair with dog shampoo today.
Did you bark?
No.
Who let the dogs out?
But it gave it a nice lift, sort of.
Well, what are the dogs going to use? Head and Shoulders?
Yeah. That's what I use on them.
He doesn't feel well. Excuse the burps. Babe's got bubble guts.
Smells like deli.
It does. Ew. When he first did that, I don't know, a little while ago, and I said, "Ew, deli!" Who burped? He couldn't believe it. Is it making us too bright?
I don't know.
It's making you too bright, probably.
There. Ooh, deli!
It's all grainy now. Look at me. Nah, babe. Now you look like powder from the movie.
Can I win?
At least now you say, "Can I win?" instead of, "Oh, I can't win." So we're not going out for Babe's birthday because Babe is not feeling well. He had a long work day, and we're about to look at all of the. Babe, you're being rude. And we're about to look at all of his not YouTube, but his Facebook birthday wishes from his friends and my friends that are now our friends. Aww. Sorry, guys. I was rubbing his tummy. I like our talk we had before when you got home and before we turned the camera on. I like us time together. So it was nice. And now we're gonna show him all his birthday love on. I saw that. Now we're gonna show him all his birthday love on Facebook, and I'll probably now I watched our other video, and now I know to look at you and watch those faces that you're making. I did not know you were making those faces while we did that other video. That was a fake one.
No, that was a real one.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay. Do you want to thank the people for telling you happy birthday?
Do I have to? It's just another day.
No, it isn't.
You know what? I was born on this day 50 years ago. I'm going to die on some day 50 years, whenever, and no one's going to remember that day either. So it don't make a difference.
But we did remember your birthday, and we're celebrating you today.
You know, I never made a big deal on my birthday. I hate making a big deal on my birthday. I don't measure years anymore. Now it's decades. So the next time I'm going to remember a birthday, I'm going to be 60. I'm all gray and everything.
51.
Yeah. Well.
And we going to turn up. Turn up, babe. It's your birthday. Go, Ricky. It's your birthday. Get busy. It's your birthday.
It's a black singer.
Go, Ricky. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
I'm the wrong color for that stuff. Turn out. I don't know what.
Not turn out. Turn up.
What the hell is that? What is turn up? See, you know what?
Oh my God.
If you ever get involved in an interracial relationship, there's language you have to figure out because it's just us white folk just don't get it.
Well, you guys have language too that I have to figure out.
Like what?
Like, how come you say here for everything? Here, let me show you. Here, I'll get it. Here, come here. Why? What does that mean?
I don't know. That might be just a regional thing. There are certain places in the country that they say certain things. Like if you go to Minnesota, they have different colloquialisms, I think is the proper term.
Oh, okay. Cool.
It's like going down south and everyone's going, y'all, y'all, y'all.
But see, I'm not from down south, but I say y'all. Yeah,
well, black people have a perverted southern culture.
Perverted?
Yes.
What? Why is it perverted?
Well, perverted means several things, but it doesn't have to mean perverted as perverts. But perverted mean anything that's, excuse me, shifted from the norm. And black folk are from the South, so you just brought that with. So you have some, it's seen in the food and it's seen in some of the language. And y'all is one of them.
Well, Texans are white and they say y'all.
Yeah, Texans are a whole other breed. You don't mess with Texas.
Okay, so
thank you for the happy birthdays, whoever decided to say happy birthday to the people I know and the people I don't know. I don't like being another year older. I would just assume as forget that it even happened, but since I have to be cordial about it because I have to deal with her, that's the thing that men don't like about women. They come in and they make you civilized. Who wants that?
You don't want to remain a barbarian.
I've been a barbarian for 50 years and I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
Well, now you have to cohabitate with someone. So basically, during our, I call it pillow talk because, you get to talk intimately and just talk about each other's day and stuff. But, we were talking about our different races and, babe, cut it out. Cut it out. We were talking about our different races and the differences and I really don't, I know there are still prejudices out there, but OMG. Okay. It's your birthday. You can do whatever you like. You can do.
I'll just keep a straight face.
You don't have to.
I broke your train of thought. Just finish it up.
What was I saying?
Talking about something about races.
Yeah, what we were saying before. There's differences, but there's different personalities that can go better with other nationalities. And Babe was saying that I've got one of those personalities and can kind of just gel with anyone and just go with the flow. And he was saying it's hard to be mad or hard to bash someone who's so cheerful and nice and stuff like that. Is that what you said?
Yes.
So, I'm grateful for that. Grateful for the personality that God gave me. And grateful for all the, how many was it? 7, 8 wrong black girlfriends that you had that prepared you for the right one.
Because if any of them see this, I don't want to make any of them mad.
It's a new sheriff.
Well, I don't.
It's a new sheriff in town. I'm grateful to them.
Yeah, they were all. Well, no, I'm not going to say.
I'm grateful. Oh no, look at my computer, babe. It's dying.
Oh no.
Look.
Well, say goodnight, Gracie.
Who's Gracie?
We'll talk about that some other day.
Oh no, my laptop's about to die. All my pictures, my 72,000 gazillion million pictures.
They're not gonna die.
It's.
They're still gonna be there.
But not if it dies and goes black.
No, they stay. They say
it's not the battery. It's got a full charge. It's something wrong. Oh, look at my rainbow.
Oh, nice.
God's promise.
Yeah.
That He won't destroy the earth. Oh no! Look, we're going. We're going, babe. We're going. I wonder, will they be able to see it?
Probably.
Oh, it was like we were ghosts disappearing. It is 12, 13, 14. I told y'all.
Oof.
I gave y'all a warning. It's 12, 13, 14, and I said, anyways, we'll continue that conversation another day then. No help. Oh, look, we're going again. My computer is tweaking. Oh my goodness. That was going to be a great segment. That was a great... We'll have to do this show again, guys.
No, it wasn't a good segment. All I could say is I'm tired. My stomach feels like I swallowed a basketball. And I'm another year older. And I don't even know if I could say I'm none the wiser. But anyway, I'm grateful that she thinks that much of me.
I do. And it's a day that the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it.
Yeah, it's right. So thanks for watching again, and it didn't flow as well as I would like it to, but it makes her happy. That's all that matters.
Yay. Okay, guys, we'll check in with you again later or sooner or what have you. Hope my laptop doesn't die. I might have to get a new one or get it repaired or something. But subscribe, rate, comment. But, if you don't like us, keep that part to yourself. We only want thumbs up. And we're new at this, so be gentle when you comment. Oh, my computer's dying. God, why? Babe, not right in my face. Deli! What did you eat?
Deli.
Ew. Say bye, Gracie.
Goodbye, Gracie.
Who is Gracie?
We'll deal with that some other day.
I want to know.
No, it's kind of funny.
If you better not be making fun of me.
No, I'm not.
Well, I'm going to find out with Gracie. I don't think I'm posting this one. Anyways, two to the side. Deuces. Oh, I gotta get you some Pepto-Bismol.
No, I ate that stuff. I threw up for it once. I never took it again after that.
Well, you need something. How about a pinch of baking soda on your tongue? That'll help. Okay, guys.
Some baking soda water.
I gotta go take care of Poppy because Poppy's not feeling too well. On his birthday, we can't go out and celebrate. Stop it, Benny Hinn.
Not Betty Hinn.
Benny Hinn.
Benny Hill.
Oh, for Benny Hinn, you would have had to lay hands
I'd have
on
to
me.
lay hands on
and I would have fell out.
Push her off the chair if we're talking about Benny Hinn.
Benny Hill, who rubbed the old man's head. Yeah. That's too hard. You're heavy-handed.
That's what he did.
Jeez, now I got a headache. Don't do it again. It hurts now. Anyways, I was just trying to stretch it to 15 minutes. I don't know why, but 14, 19 is not bad.
That's enough. You bored these poor people long enough.
They're not bored.
We'll see.
Okay, the channel's going live today on Babe's 50th birthday. Get ready, world. Here we come.
Oh, God.
Love has no color. Love has no color.
Yeah, love has no color.
It has no color.
Yay.
Yay. Okay.
Yippee.
Do the deuces.
No.
Oh, God. Hey, buddy.
I ain't doing.
You do the deuces.
Because I don't know what that means in whatever
peace.
language. In what
Peace.
language?
That's global.
No, No, it ain't global.
It is. Everybody does
this. This is peace, global.
Two to the side is deuces.
No, whatever this is.
Deuces, that mean bye.
Whatever this is, I don't do it.
You just did.
Not anymore.
What, you heard?
It's a black thing.
Okay, so...
Just say goodnight, Gracie, and be done.
Okay, so we're going to say goodnight now, and then we'll talk to you, like, later, okay? Thanks so much. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.